In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare and export your videos using CapCut so they're perfectly optimized for TikTok. Let's dive right into it. First, you want to set your canvas to a 9:16 aspect ratio. This is critical because TikTok's format is vertical, similar to how you hold your phone. A 9:16 canvas ensures that your content will naturally fit within TikTok's interface, avoiding those unwanted black bars on the sides and keeping the content immersive and full screen. Imagine you're creating a digital picture frame, and the frame needs to be exactly this size to perfectly display your artwork. Once your canvas is set, move on to exporting your project. When you click on Export, you'll encounter a variety of options. Here, you should make sure to choose the resolution of 1080 by 1920. This resolution is not only high definition, ensuring clarity and sharpness, but it's also specifically tailored to the dimensions we talked about earlier. This setting ensures your video looks crisp, whether you're displaying intricate details or vibrant colors, which helps you stand out amidst the sea of content on TikTok. Next, you'll want to set your frame rate. You have the choice between 30 or 60 frames per second. A frame rate of 30 FPS is a standard option that provides smooth motion and works well for most types of video content. It's where efficiency and quality meet. However, if your video contains fast-paced action or you want an ultra-smooth result, bumping up to 60 FPS can be beneficial. This higher frame rate captures more information per second, making fast movements look buttery smooth. Remember, the higher frame rate does increase file size, so choose based on the balance you'd like to achieve between fluidity and file management. Additionally, let's talk about the bitrate. In CapCut, you'll want to select High for this setting. A higher bitrate equates to better quality because it allocates more data per second of video, which translates to finer details and more vibrant colors in your final product. It's particularly helpful when you're showcasing high-energy scenes or footage with lots of visual elements that could lose detail in compression. As you finalize everything, it's time to export your video. After exporting, take a moment to review your creation before posting it to TikTok. Watch it through to make sure everything looks and sounds the way you intended. Double-check that the visuals are clear, the transitions are smooth, and there are no hiccups. This final step ensures that what you upload will resonate perfectly with your audience, showcasing your content in the best possible light. There you have it, a step-by-step process to prepare your videos for TikTok using CapCut. By following these guidelines, you'll ensure your content not only fits seamlessly into the platform, but also captivates your viewers with its quality. Happy editing!